Hello everyone and welcome to Super Fun English. If you are a mom, if you are a parent, if you are a preschool teacher, you are a caregiver to your kids, you are looking for some amazing videos to teach phonics and grammar to your kids, then you are at the right place. My channel Super Fun English is a complete hub for phonic and grammar related videos. Every Tuesday and Saturday I share one amazing videos which can help you to teach your kids phonic and grammar effectively. So one thing you have to do that you have to just subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you get all the future notifications from my channel. From my experience, I have seen children often get confused when it comes to the silent letter. How to pronounce silent letter, how to read silent letters, why to use silent letter, what are the rules to use silent letters. So this thing is very much confusing. So let's not have any confusion. Let's watch this video till the end so you get a clear concept about silent letter. 60% of the English words have silent letter. So it is better to teach them the ways to use silent letter so they become a confident reader and they can improve their pronunciation skill. So let's move on. Watch the video till the end. Use this method with your kids and do let me know how it goes. You can use my comment section to share your experience, and before that please subscribe to my channel. 60% of English words has silent letters. So here we have 14 letters which use as a silent letters in English. First we'll discuss about silent E. So A is silent in a bunch of words like bread, head, and A is also remain quiet in a bunch of adverbs that end I-cally, basically logically. Next we will learn silent B. So B is not pronounced when it's followed by M, like thumb, comb. See, the last letter is B and followed by M. And B is also silent before the T, like doubt. So far I think you don't have any doubt, right? Next we will learn about silent D. So D becomes silent when it's preceded by G, especially we have the digraph. So I have made a separate video on digraph, like the word judge. Here you can see the D is silent. Next we will learn silent E. So E when comes at the end of any word and preceding with a short vowel, it changes its sound to a long vowel, like cute. So here the last letter with E. So E we will not pronounce, rather we will pronounce cute. Mate, A we will pronounce, not E. So this rule is known as magic E rule. So I have made a separate video on this magic E rule, which is a very important topic in phonetics. You can get the video link in the description box and the I button. Next is GH. GH follows a vowel sound and it is usually silent when it is used after the vowel. So here the light. So light, GH comes after the vowel I. So here GH is the silent letter. Next is silent H. H is often silent when it's come at the beginning of a word or is followed by R. So here hour, honored, the H is silent. Rhyme, the H is here silent. Next we will learn silent K. K is not pronounced when it appears at the beginning of a word or is directly followed by N. Known, see the K has come at the beginning of the word and it is followed by N. Knob, here K is silent. Next rule we will learn the silent L. L is silent when it appears after the vowel A, O or U or before the consonant like F, K, D or M. So first the L has come after the vowel A. So here A is silent. So this is the rule for silent A. Next we will learn about silent P. So P is silent at the beginning of a word followed by N, S or T, or in a specific combination PB or PT. So P when comes at the beginning of a word and it is followed by N. So when PN comes together or PS comes together, the P is silent. Like the word pneumonia or psychology. See, in both the words, P has come before the N or S. So in both the cases, P is silent. We all know practice makes a man perfect. No matter how fancy worksheet you have, how engaging activity you have planned, if they don't practice, you will not get any results. So whatever you have learning from my channel, that you have to practice for sure, right? So this part, this silent letter is just a lesson, but you can move on with the other topics of the phonic and grammar. Like I would suggest give them the diphthong, give them the digraph, everything, so they know the beauty of English, they know the beauty of phonics, and they get enough interest to do it. So let me know in the comment box which activity you are giving to your kids to practice. So I will be waiting for your answer. Meanwhile, you can subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Thank you so much.